Hi, Future and Chaos here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a fairly simple program, executable file on Visual Basic 2010 Express. Right, so just open it, so just press that, or whatever you've got it on, there, you find it somewhere, wherever you put it, and then you press New Project. It will load, okay, and then, you select Windows Forms application, and then you call it whatever you want. So I'm gonna call mine Hello World. And you press OK, and it will start creating it at some point. Okay, it's loaded. And right, you come up with this. So you'll start with, and this is what is Form 1. We start with. They're called Forms. Windows Forms application. So look at this one. Hello. Help. Hello. So I'm typing in the bottom right here. World. I really can't. I can never type. Okay. So I'm gonna resize this. I'm change the size. It's a designer, drag and drop designer. So you can put buttons. You put a button in. I can put checkbox. I can put labels. They don't really label anything. I'm gonna stick stuff in a group box. So you can put stuff in the group box like button, checkbox, label, and you can move them like that. And then press F5 or click there, and it will debug it. So you can do stuff. See, that's what we'll start with. So I don't really want to do that. So bye. And all the stuff comes up here. So wherever you've got, put a button again. Button 1 and Form 1. Try click and press delete. Right, so you're going to double click or press F7, something like that, and I'll show you the code for it. It's public class, Form 1, just Form 1 load. So that's what you'll do when it loads. So you can set it to when it starts, maximized, minimized, whatever. You can do things like use weight cursor, so it'll do that. It will use that, the weight cursor, which makes sense as I just ticked use weight cursor. And opacity, it's like, is it visible or not? The border, no border. Tool window, is it that? So I want sizable, which is default. Control box, these are the properties I'm just going through. So control box, here are that. Back color, so you need red. You can do that. This font. Font's down here. Yeah, font. Need font size 10. Yeah, font size 10. And fonts, whatever font you want. So you can have. Oh, I don't want to click that. I want to find Arial. There you go. Arial. So if I put this in, I can put. Oops, don't want to stop typing there. Rod. Red. What? Okay, whatever, go away. That's the font. Oops. So you can type there, text for it, and type the hello world. So labels is what you type with this time. So it's a bit smaller. So press F5. And I'll do hello world. And maximize it. It looks a bit weird. X. Okay. So I'm gonna get rid of this. Okay. So first I'm gonna use a button. A label. Use text boxes as well if you want, but the hell, I'm not doing that. There's other stuff you can do. But yeah, so I'll put a button, label, resize this again, poop, like that. too small. Hello world, here we go. Let's do that. Make this bigger. Since you can change the size of things because it's drag and drop. It's really easy. See, and I've got that now. Right. So you can double click it to add it to the code. Changing this to hello world. So when you click on that, you can do. Okay, so this is label 1. So you can do label 1 dot text equals. I'm gonna put spaces like that. Put brackets, which you don't have to, but it's better if you do. Hello world. So something tells me that's not going to fit. Just go like that. Right. So now if I click on that, just to hello world. To show you again. So now it says label 1, click on it, hello world. How easy was that? I can also do I can add another button and call form 2. When you click on form 2, no. Yes, click on form 2 and it will show form 2, but I need to add that in, so you press project, add Windows form 2, Windows form, add. I'm not going to change the back colour of this because I can't be bothered. That's how stupid it is. So you don't put open form 2, it won't work. You do form 2 dot show. And then you put the brackets to say you're closing, you're ending the statement. I'll do this, press hello world. Now I can also do this, form 2. How does that? So easy things are. That's why Visual Basic is really popular, because it's easy to do stuff with it. You can also, well, loads of these you learn when you get further in. But you can use a web browser. I'll do a tutorial on that at some point. You can do check box like them, loads of list box thingies, and that is the basics of doing Visual Basic VB code script, whatever you want to call it. Please subscribe, like, whatever, you know, the stuff. See you later.